Hello, my name is Sofia Gonzalez. I am 29 years old and I'm from Mexico. I live in Los Angeles, California, in the United States. I live in a small apartment with my husband and our dog. We don't have children yet. I am a graphic designer. I work for a small company, and I also work from home sometimes. I speak Spanish and English. I am learning French too. In my free time, I like to draw, watch movies, and go to the park. On the weekends, I cook Mexican food and visit my family. I love spending time with them.